Hey guys, welcome back. This is Naresh. So in this video, we will see how to swap two numbers. Okay. So there are three ways through which we can do that in Python, but I will show you first the simplest way how to swap two variables and how to swap their values. So let's assume that we have a variable A and it has a value which is 5, and we have a B which has a value 3. Okay. Now what I want that in the A it should be 3 and in the B it should come 5 after doing a swap. Okay, but right now we have not done any swapping, and if I print it, that is A comma B, and if I try to run it by doing a right click and clicking on run on the PyCharm window, I would get 5 and 3. Okay, that is 5 and 3, but this is not what I want. I want 3 and 5. So I have just given in the comments just to show you what I want. So the first way is I can make a use of a third variable which is called C. Okay, so here in C I will store one value and that value would be A. Okay, so what is in the A? A is 5 right now. Okay, so we are storing 5 into the C. And now what I will do A equal to B. So what is in the B right now? So in the B the value is 3. So I will just give a 3 in the comment, and then B equal to, I will store the value of C here. So what is C right now? It is 5. So that is hash 5. So I have given a comment here. So if I make a use of this logic, what I'm doing right now, I am making a use of a third variable C, and after making a use of that, now A will contain 3 and B will contain 5. So it is exactly the opposite of the number which are there. So now A will contain 3 and B will contain 5. Let's print it. So before we have printed 5 and 3, and now we will print it. Let's do that, 3 and 5. So this is the first way through which we can swap two numbers. Okay, now let's talk about the second way. So let me remove this. Okay, now let's see what is the second way to swap it. So in the second way, we will not make the use of a third variable. We will do a swapping without making a use of a third variable. Let's see how. So what we will do here, so we have a variable A. So we will do A equal to A plus B. So can you guess what will be the number? It would be number 8, all right? And now we will see the value of B as B equal to A minus B. Okay, so what is the value of A right now? It is 8. Okay, and what will the value of B? It is 3. So 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. So you will see that the 5 is stored now in B, which we wanted. But still we don't have a swap value in 8. A still has a number 8, and I want number 3 there, right? So what I will do, it's A equal to A minus B. Okay, so now if you will see what is A is 8, and if I remove B from it, the B is 5. Okay, so it will give me 3. Okay, so this is the way also through which we can swap the values without using a third variable. So again, see, I have given A equal to A plus B, B equal to A minus B, A equal to A minus B. And now let's print it. And if I print it, it gives me 3 and 5 again without using a third variable. Okay, now let's understand the third way. In this, what I will do, I will just remove this. So what I want to swap two values. So I will do A comma B. And remind you, this is only possible in Python. Other languages, this third variable is not possible. So I'm giving A comma B equal to B comma A. Simple, and just run it. Again, I'm getting 3 and 5, which we wanted. Okay, so these are the three ways through which you can go ahead and swap two values, and this can be something which can be asked in your short interview whenever you are giving interview of Python. So this is a very simple and very straightforward logic which you can apply. Alright, so thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.